Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text under heading in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add text under heading. Select a text. Now I select this text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the home menu, then select the style drop down menu and we can see here many headings option. Now we select the heading 3. Now we can see we make this text under heading this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.